Hello everyone. Very good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Who all we have? Oh, we have two Sanvi today. Sometimes we have two Krapa, sometimes we have two Sanvi. I don't know what these two friends are doing always. Okay. So let me unmute so you can interact with me anytime. So welcome. We have Sanvi, we have Kripa, we have Gauri, Jagat, Ariman. Welcome. We have Siona. Very good morning. And Ritesh, very good evening, late evening. See guys, the problem is Riona is in US, which is like very early morning, and Ritesh on Australia, late evening. So I really appreciate that you are taking your time off and attending sessions. That's good. That's the amazing part. Let's start. Yesterday we talked about, and I not put today the attendance thing. Then I believe that you all know. That's why I not put that. Good. So we started with triangles. So today we are going to circle. Very important, circle. We'll directly jump on today's topic. Circle. Let's make me circle. Let's make a circle. Now tell me one by one, what are properties you know? I'll start writing circle properties. You will tell me, but tell me from basics. Don't jump on some theorems, okay?
Sir.
Wait. I'll tell name by name. Okay, wait.
Okay.
So sorry. So circle and its property, because the moment we understand its properties, we are done. Circle and its properties. First, Kripa will start.
So a circle doesn't have sides and corners.
Circle doesn't have side and corners. Correct. What else? Kripa, tell me one more.
Sir, it has no dimensions.
It has no dimension. Okay, but it has dimension. It has dimension. Okay. So the basic things are we next.
Yes, sir.
She is always busy somewhere. What is my question, Sanvi?
My sister is this.
Okay, I think Gauri. So Sanvi, what I wanted to know is, tell me basic property of circle. Circle is a.
The questions are because of disturbance. I didn't want you to open the audio.
I know, but I love to talk to you, na. So every circle has a radius. See, without radius, you cannot draw a circle. And believe me, you don't need anything else. Circle a radius. Radius of 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter. And a circle has center. Because you need where to draw circle, right? In your coordinate plane, where to draw circle? So center. Circle has a center. Circle has a radius. Suppose this is my center. Suppose. I don't know, but suppose.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, my internet connection was low, so I just joined now. So can you explain, sir?
We started 1 hour ago, Vidya. What? You are too late.
No, sir, it's just 5-6.
We just started, sir. We just started discussing, Vidya. We just started 2 minutes ago. So we are just discussing circle. So your turn now. Tell me one property of circles. First thing is circle has a radius. Circle has
Yes.
center. Sanvi, your turn is gone now. It will come next year now. So tell me, Vidya. Next property of circle. Circle
So
has a radius. Circle has a center. What is diameter?
diameter is when two radius join together in the center.
With center. Or you
Yes,
can
sir.
say diameter is twice of radius.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or diameter. Gauri, your turn next. Everybody fast. Diameter. Diameter D equal to 2R. Gauri, your turn. Tell me another thing about circle. What is area of a circle? Gauri, Jagat. What is area of a circle? What happened? You cannot mute, or I give the option or not? Yeah, it's there.
So please, I'll tell.
Yes, sir.
Jagat, what is the area of a circle? Any idea?
Sir.
Sir, 360.
No, 360 is more overall degree.
Sir, area of circle is 2 pi r square.
Area of circle is given by pi r square.
Pi r square.
I have to draw somewhere. But what is pi, Gauri?
3.14.
That is
The
the
value.
value. But how you define pi? Anybody? See, pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. That's the value. Who will define pi? What is really pi? Kripa, tell me.
Sir, matlab, I don't know the meaning of pi. I had a doubt.
Okay, tell me. I thought you were answering. Tell me. Now.
Sir,
What's that
Wait,
sign?
wait, Sanvi. Tell Kripa. Yes, Kripa.
What's that sign? Matlab, what have you written?
Pi.
Oh, that's the sign of pi.
I'll explain. What Sanvi you are saying? I'll explain why pi.
sir, for this question which you asked, what is called the
180
area of the circle?
I'll explain.
Sir, we can even tell the area of the circle is the circumference.
I'll come to that. Yes,
It looks
I'll come.
more like a pudding.
I'll come to pi, I'll come to pudding, I'll come to area, I'll come to circumference. Pratibha, you are saying something? No. So I'll explain what is pi. See, pi is just Greek letter. See, if Sanvi would have discovered,
pi is 180 degree.
that is in the degree. I'm not asking the degrees. You are right, Pratibha, but I'm not asking degree. Listen very carefully. If Sanvi would have discovered, Sanvi would have rammed something like S or T or Y or A or B or in Hindi Ka, Kha, or in Kannada. I don't know. What is your native language, Sanvi?
Sir, Hindi.
So she would have said in Hindi Ka, Kha, Ga, right? Similarly, this is designed or developed by Greeks. You know what is Greek's alphabets? Like we have in English A, B, C, D, right? Or like in Hindi A, Ka, Ka, something. I forgot my Hindi. But right? Similarly, Greeks, you know how in Greek the alphabet goes? Anybody knows? It's like this. Greek is like alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega. I forgot side. Pi.
Sir, these are the name of our lion cubs in our English chapter.
But these are all Greek alphabets.
Sir,
So, yes, please, Ishan.
sir, in our school now, instead of A, B, C, D, now in different section they name alpha, beta. So I am in delta.
That's good. So alpha, beta, delta, gamma, say so many. So it's all the letters, that's it. So similarly, one letter is known as pi, something like that. Pudding. Kripa says pudding. Okay. First time I heard somebody saying pudding. Okay. So pi. Or you write like this, pi, pi. Pi, pi is the, in English you write pi, but better is this pi. Okay. Now what is pi? Before we discover pi, see, it is a practical thing again. Tomorrow, if today you go home, do one thing, okay? Kripa, take a bangle, suppose. Okay? Listen carefully, guys, what I'm saying. So, Kripa, take a bangle. You have bangle?
I have one full set.
Good. So, suppose everybody, what you should do is, you take a bangle and take one thread, and put the thread start from here. So start putting thread like this. Cover full and put on the full circle. Okay, full bangle. See, I am not doing smooth, but you cover the thread this. Okay. You get the length of the thread, and so suppose the length of thread you write somewhere here. Whatever it's coming, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter length of the thread. From where? From this till you take full circle up to here. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
you write, suppose that comes, say, what should I say? Wait, let me put it. Okay, thread's also coming. What I'm saying is, you take a thread and measure its circumference. Put that here. Suppose that is coming, say, 20 centimeters. Suppose. Okay? Kripa and everybody. Now, same thread you start from here or here and measure this length. You put here. come around 6 or 5 or something, 6 point something, suppose. And you divide both of them. You will get around 3.14. Always. No, Kripa, if you take this small or big circle, does not matter. You will always get same constant value.
So
Understand
we'll
the
get
point? You will get the constant value of length of this boundary divided by length of this diameter. Always same.
oh
Always same. And that is a practical thing, guys. And that is what we call the boundary. What you're doing now, we call them circumference. Getting it, Kripa?
yes, sir.
See, like suppose, are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Everybody? This is circumference. You put a thread starting here and start measuring this. It's a circumference, okay? And from here to here, the longest length, the diameter thing. You put another thread and measure that. And the ratio of these two, guys, listen very carefully. Ratio of these two, circumference by diameter. We said diameter, right, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
You said that is diameter, right? Diameter is 2 radius, correct?
Yes, sir.
So when you take this, it will always come as a constant, always. And that constant, the Greek mathematics termed as pi. And because the value will always come as constant, always. Are you getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ratio of circumference to its diameter of any circular object will always be a constant, always. And it is not like it's not like somebody is deriving the formula just by sake of it. It's a practical thing. Always constant. And that constant is termed as pi. That's why I'm saying if Sanvi would have developed, she would have said ka, kha, ga, or something. Or sa for Sanvi. But their term is pi. And the value of this is 3.14 approximately. Getting it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So, it is a constant. It means what it says, for any circular object, the ratio of circumference to ratio of diameter is always same. Tanvi, are you okay?
No, actually, sir, I am swollen my left eye.
Oh, then do one thing. Don't look at screen much. You can just listen what I'm saying. Don't watch too much. Okay. So, ratio of circumference to diameter is always constant. That is known as pi. Clear? Value pi is 3.14 or 22/7. Pi is either 22/7 or you divide it, you get approximately 3.14. So why we are discussing this? We are discussing this because in circle, we are always going to use pi, always. We are going to use pi. Okay? So can you define again, Hridaya? What is the pi means? Hridaya. If somebody asks you what is pi, how will you define it, Hridaya? Siona, how will you define pi? What does pi mean? Siona, are you there? What happened today? No, Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
What is pi?
Pi is ratio between circumference and between diameter.
Correct. Of any circular object. That's it. By
Yeah.
the ratio of circumference to diameter.
Diameter.
It is as simple as. Whenever somebody asks pi, guys, don't say 3.14. That's the value. Concept-wise important. So when we talk about circle, thank you, Ritesh. We talk about circle, there are two things. One is the circumference which is 2 pi r, because we already know diameter is 2r, correct? In 2 pi. Same, because of same reason. Your circumference is given by 2 pi r. And your area is given by, and nothing to mug here, it's area of a circle is given by pi r square. It's just such a basic step. Tell me, Kripa.
Sir, I was going to tell that don't erase it because I wanted to just take a screenshot.
Yeah, not now. I'll tell you when. We'll write few things, then you'll do, okay?
Okay, sir.
I'll not erase it. So, guys, area of circle, circumference of circle. So, what I said initially is circle. Circle has center. Circle has radius. Circle has diameter. Circle has circumference. Circle has area. Correct? It's everybody. This is very clear or in doubt? Kripa, Gauri, Ishant, Ariman, very basic stuff. Shweta, good morning, good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon.
I think because they are too long in, yeah. Pratibha,
Sir,
yes.
sir, I'm not clear with circumference and pi.
Okay, so it's like that. If any circular object you have in your hand, show me, Hridaya.
Sir,
You have any circular object in your hand, show me.
circle now.
Anything. If you wear this bindi, if you have this coin, if you have this bangle, if you have in your home dish, all are circular object, right?
Yes, sir.
So any circular object, suppose this is circular object from the front or not.
Yes, sir.
If you start
Yes.
measuring from here to here, this length of this boundary, this is known as circumference. Getting it?
Okay, sir.
And
Yes,
you put a diameter. This, suppose this is the center. Center is this.
Yes, sir.
If you put a line from this end to this end, it is diameter like this. It's a diameter, right?
Yes, sir.
Diameter is this, circumference is this. So you take ratio of circumference to diameter. Suppose diameter is say 10 centimeter. Sorry, circumference is 10 centimeter. And diameter is something, 3 something. 3 point something. So the ratio will always constant. What I'm trying to tell you. Let me put a circle. So no, see it like this. Suppose I have this circle, right? Blue circle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are seeing blue circle.
Yes, sir. I'm saying.
You are seeing red circle.
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying is, what will be the circumference of this? Circumference will be this boundary, length of the boundary, right?
Okay, sir.
What is
So
circumference mean?
circumference
The length of
like
the edge.
diameter.
No, length of the edge I am saying.
Oh,
See, if you this bottle, this is the circumference. See the bottom saying this edge.
okay, sir.
Not getting it still?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, even we can tell circumference as it's the 3 times diameter.
No, wait. Sanvi, wait. No. Let's first understand what is circumference. Hridaya, tell me honestly, did you understand what is circumference or not?
Sir, it's like we are measuring the and circle object.
Outer boundary.
Okay, sir.
So, Hridaya, what you see, you are seeing blue circle, right?
Yes, sir.
And you see the center inside, right?
Yes.
So all this blue line, this is blue line, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
blue circle. That length of the blue line is circumference.
Now I understand, sir.
Okay? Now if I put inside a red line, see very clearly everybody. If I put inside a red line, this is what? It's a diameter. Understood?
Okay,
Diameter?
sir.
Diameter length between two
Yes,
ends,
sir.
maximum length. Similarly, if I use say red That circle you are seeing?
Yes, sir. Seeing.
And if I put another, like from center, this line is passing. This is what? Diameter, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to tell you is, if I take a circumference, circumference means the boundary length. And if I divide by diameter means what? The central line.
And
The ratio will always be same. Whether you take small circle, big circle, or biggest circle, it will not change. Understood, Sidhya?
yes, sir.
The ratio of circumference to diameter will never change.
Okay, sir.
That's why I think today when you go home, try that. Take a thread. Kripa, can you show what she should try? Everyone has to what she has to try. Kripa, open your audio. She got the bangles, very sweet.
Yes, sir.
Kripa, show what we have to do. We have to put a thread and measure the length. Show to her. Everybody see that.
Sir, can I just bring my thread?
Yes, please. So I want everybody to understand the circumference ring. Everyone. Circumference and area and diameter and radius. This will be useful for you every class. Okay, there. Sanvi, tell me what you want to say now.
Sir, I was asking that 3 times of diameter is circumference, no?
No.
Yes, sir. In our book it's written.
Show me the book. We will make a court case against us. Okay. So Sanvi, we'll file a case against that book. Okay. If somebody says it is 3 times, okay. So we'll. So show me, Kripa.
Sir, but 2 times. Yes,
Sanvi,
sir.
I'll
Even in Google it is 3 times.
Array, not 3 times. It is 3.14. I'll explain. Don't approximate. It should be exact 3.14. Kripa, tell me.
So this is my thread.
See, guys, everybody, the concept of circumference and pi.
This is my thread and this is my bangle. So
Yes.
to take this thread and just
From one area, one point.
so just keep on bringing that again and again. Just a minute.
No, not like this. 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 What I want to do is, this is your bangle, right?
Yeah.
Put thread here and measure like this. Like this.
So like a boundary.
Like a
Okay.
boundary.
Like this.
That's it. And
Okay.
measure how, from the same point you start and end it. So this was the
Okay.
length you got.
Yeah.
So
So
this is the length of the circumference of the circle, right? Whatever you measured, right? You open the
yeah,
thread.
this is the length.
This is the thread. Suppose that length comes, say, 7. Suppose some 7. Okay. Now put the thread in the between, from one end to other end maximum. Like
So
this.
like a diameter.
Like
Like
this.
this.
Like a diameter.
Like this.
Correct. What will happen is, that will come some number, 2 point something. When you divide this with this 2, you will get the value which is known as pi.
Okay.
What I try to say, everybody, Jagat, Ishan, Sanvi, Hridaya, you take the small bangle or big circle. The ratio always remains same. Getting it? The ratio of circumference, the ratio of boundary to the ratio of diameter will always remain same. It's a practical thing. And that thing is known as pi. And the Greek mathematician has found that's why that term is pi. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now area of circle is, see the tell me, if I remove this now, and same thing if I use normal maths of equation, I said pi is what? Pi is circumference by diameter. Diameter means what? 2 radius or not? What diameter means? 2 into radius, correct? So we take to the other side, your circumference becomes pi into 2r. That's what I said, 2 pi r, right? So circumference is 2 pi r. area is pi r square. Are you getting it, everybody? Because this is just to start. There are many things. For example, take a screenshot if you want. I am erasing it now.
Sir,
Yes, Gauri.
sir, you are missing one part.
Which one?
Chord.
No, Gauri. We just started. Not missing one part. There are many more things we'll do. Chord, segment, sector. I'm not coming to that yet.
Okay, sir.
We'll do that. First we are stuck only at the circumference only now.
Okay, sir.
We'll do that. That is what we do today. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
everybody is clear? Circumference, radius, diameter. Diameter is 2 times of radius. GTG. Let's move on. Now if I draw another circle, we talked about radius. See very carefully. This is the center, correct? Now what is chord and what is segment and what is? So I draw a line from here to here. Is it radius or not? What is it? It's a radius, right? What does
Yes.
radius means? Radius is the line between center of circle touching any end of the circle. What is radius? Radius is a line. You start from the center to it touches any point of circle. Any. Tell me how many radius, Ishan? A circle can have how many radiuses?
So many.
Many. Like this, guys. This is also radius. This is also radius, correct? This is also radius. The moment you know the radius, you know the circle. You can make a circle, correct? You know how we draw the circle? Use it compass. You take a radius of 5, put a center point and draw like this, right? So radius is, this is radius. Say from this point to this point, it is radius, say 5 centimeter. And if I make 2 radius, like Hridaya said, if I same radius, if I do like this, straight, it becomes diameter, correct? That's why I say diameter equal to 2 radius, right? But now, I'm going to explain one more thing. Who will explain me this? Chord, sector, segment. Who will explain me these 3 terms? What is chord of a circle, sector of a sector, sector of a circle, and segment of a circle? Who want to explain?
Sir, I want to explain chord.
Yes, Gauri, please.
A chord of a circle is a straight line segment whose endpoints both lie on the circle, on the circumference of circle.
Understood what she said? Chord. Chord is that line segment whose both the endpoint line on the edge of the circle. See, this is one point A. This is B, another 8 point. So you can say AB is the chord. Clear? Tell me, Sanvi, how many chords a circle can have? 0, 1 or many?
Sir, it can have as many as possible.
Correct.
Like uncountable.
Correct. So tell me, Jagat, or tell me, Ishan, diameter is a chord or not? Is diameter a chord of a circle or not?
So what?
Is diameter a chord?
So it can be the longest chord, but
Yes, sir.
not touch the center.
So diameter is a chord. It's the longest chord. Correct? Diameter is a chord. It's the longest chord. If you see, if we make this line, tell me anybody, can you draw inside circle any bigger line than this?
No, sir.
No. So this is the longest chord, right? A chord cannot be longer than diameter, right? Always smaller only, right? So chord is clear. So who will define sector and segment? Any one of you? Siona?
Sir, I have only
Pratika?
studied up to code.
Huh?
I have only studied up to code.
Chord is clear?
Yes, sir. I had studied it after code only. I have
Very
not-
good. I'll explain.
Sir, can I tell what is sector?
Yes, please.
So sector is something like now, for example, we take one radius here and another here. So the inside part is called as sector.
Let me draw. So tell me, what should I draw now?
Sir, this next to this radius, sir, you can draw one more.
So how do you define? You are right. It's a sector.
Yes, sir.
Sector is that area of that region of circle which is enclosed by
Two radii.
two radius. Yeah, two radii. Radii is a plural form. And one arc. This is known as arc. Understood what I'm saying? Let me make it red. So if I say this is O, this is A, this is B. Tell me, Shant.
So can I define segment?
Yes, you will define after that. So AOB is your sector. Two radius and an arc. Now, Ishant, define segment.
Sir, in a so sector is like if you draw one chord, so the circle will be divided in two parts. So
Let me do that. Let me make it here. Okay. Okay.
Question.
So
So A, sorry, sir. I have a question. So A to B is a sector, or OAB is total is sector?
full AOB, full this region.
All right. Okay.
It's all area region. This region all. One second. This whole region. I'm not drawing this one. All. This is sector. This all sector. Okay, Shweta?
Thank you.
Okay. So now, Ishan, you are defining the segment.
so the smaller part of the circle over here is the segment.
So you can say something like this, right?
Yes.
So guys, understood clear difference between segment and sector? This is sector. Sorry. Let me put a proper arrow. Many people get confused. This is your sector. But this is your segment. Segment is the area of circle or that real circle which is arc of a circle and another chord. So if you see, there are two types of segment. This is your major segment. This is minor segment. Major segment, minor segment. Is it clear, everybody? Sector, segment, chord, radius. Everybody is clear? All the definition?
Can you explain segment?
Segment is, Shweta, do you want to explain? Clear difference between sector and segment?
Yes, sir.
Please.
So now we can, okay, fine. Right. Okay, so now we can say that there is a line chord. There's a chord which is line, which is like from one edge to another edge of the circle, right? So now we got some area in that circle. Like we can divide the circle in two parts, which is like one is bigger part, one is smaller part. And so the area we got, that is called segment. Did everybody understood that?
Whatever I done with the blue.
Yeah, the area covered with the blue is called segment. It's a minor segment because it is a smaller area in that. When we have a bigger area in the circle, that is a major segment. But both are.
So then what is the difference between chord and segment?
Tell me in both the diagram. What difference? You can find out.
Yeah, chord is only the line. Yeah, chord is only the line. We call the chord, not the area as a whole. Like
only
from
just a
one.
line. Yes.
Yeah, just a line. If we like have 2 points, like it's a circle, this is the chord in the circle. But when the area is below in it, the full area, that is circle. That is segment, sorry.
So suppose I write A and I write B.
Like we have this circle, and if we have this line here, then this line is a chord from here to here.
Correct.
Now the area in between there, this whole is segment.
AB is a chord, right?
Yes.
And if I put, suppose this arc, I say X, then whole area AXB, the enclosed inside AXB is your AXB region is your segment. That is what. I want everybody to be very clear about segment and sector. Yes, please.
Now, what if the line is between like a diameter, then there will
It is
be
like
no major
equal
or
segment, no major or minor. Both are equal segment. Yes,
Yeah.
you are right.
So from before also, like I thought that the chord was segment because the inside area was also considered as chord, but then now I got
Chord
to
is just a
know.
line. Chord is just a line. Like radius is a line, chord is a line. Diameter is a line.
The segment is the full area.
Right. Segment is the that whole blue thing I am showing here. Na? How should I highlight more? This whole, whatever I am shading with the blue, right, Sanvi?
Yes, sir.
This whole
Yeah,
shaded part is blue is the segment.
Okay, sir.
Anybody any doubt? Yes, please.
Sir, can we say that segment is a region of a circle which is cut off from the rest of the circle by a chord?
Exactly. And that is how we define segment. We say segment is that region of circle which is between a chord and the arc. So AB is the chord and AXB is the arc. The region between AB and AXB is the segment.
Sir, the center is not a problem for the segment and sector.
There is nothing to do with center for segment, but sector is always from center. See, sector always comes from the center only, nothing else. And a very good question.
Thank you, sir.
Understood the question? Sector will always be start from center because we are talking about radius. Radius will always start from center. Radius will touch the center, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what about basic terminology of the circle. Now, yesterday we were talking about, we are not talking about those quadrilaterals, right? Now, circle has this, circle has this, circle. So you know how to calculate the basic stuff of circle. Suppose if I say find the area and circumference of circle with radius equal to 7 centimeters. Can you find out or not? It's an oral job.
Yes, sir. With the formula we can do it.
Yes, Shweta, I know you will do it, but others, I know Shweta knows it. Kripa knows
Yes,
it.
sir, I can.
What about Ishant? What about Sanvi, Hridaya? Gauri also can do it, I know. What about Siona?
Yes, sir, can do.
Siona, Ariman, Ishant. How to find area, how to find circumference of a circle. Area is given by pi r square. Pi r square, correct? What is value of pi? 22/7.
Sir, we can also write 3.14.
You can always, depending upon which is more convenient. Radius is 7 and r square 7. 7 gone. 7 into 2. 154 centimeter square. Oh, square centimeter. Correct? Can everybody find very quickly the circumference? Oral, it's oral.
44 centimeters, sir.
2 pi r. Correct? It is 44. No, I want to give you one question. Who can solve this? Circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter. Find area of circle. Very easy, simple question to start with. Everybody can find out. Very easy question. Find the area of circle whose circumference is 88 centimeter. Pratibha, Ariman, Sanvi, first thing is area will not be in centimeter. Area will be in centimeter square. Area. Everybody can find out or not? Very easy, see. Circumference is given by 2 pi r, correct? Circumference given as 88. Substitute 88 equal to 2. What is pi? 22 by 7 into r we don't know. We'll find out r. So, we'll solve this. What we'll get? R equal to 88 into 7 by 2 into 22, right? Just normal maths of substituting. So R is nothing but 14 centimeter. Correct? We got R as 14 centimeter. Now we found the area. Area is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 14 into 14. That's it. Substitute that.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, like 82 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, how did you get 14 centimeter?
You take all 22 by 7 this side. What is 2 into 22?
44.
44. Let me write it. Because this is a denominator. This is 44, right?
Yes, sir.
This is into R. This is all numerator. So when 7 will go here, will become what? Into 7?
Yeah.
This is gone. 44 will go down. Become 44, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
80 into 7 by 44.
Okay.
See, 80 into 7 by 44.
6.
So R is 14. Substitute in the pi r square. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. 44 into 14. And which is nothing but 14, 28, 56, 6, 5, 44, 50, 61. 616. That's it. 616 centimeter square. That's it. It's a very oral question, like kind of basic question of circle, how to divide, how to do this. Correct? Now we will calculate how to calculate the area of the sector. So again, it's a very beautiful thing. If you imagine circle, all easy. This is a circle, and suppose I put this is center. Again, you don't have to mug the formula, guys. Formula is given, but I don't want you to mug. Imagine. What is sector? Sector like this only, right? So what happens is, this is your sector. How to get the area of sector? Tell me, what is area of full circle? Tell me, anybody on audio. What is area of full circle?
Pi into 2r.
No, 2
Pi
r
r
pi,
square. Pi r square.
pi r square. Correct? Kripa, 2 pi r is a circumference. So everybody knows. Tell me, full circle is how many degree?
360 degree.
Very good. 360 degree. If I say this is suppose say 60 degree. If full area, suppose if I say full area is say y, then this area would be 60 by 60 part only, right? Or suppose I don't, suppose say half. If I put the half here, full circle is area is y. So what is area of half circle?
Y by 2.
Y by 2. If I say not half, 1/4, then it will be 1/4. 1 by 4y, right? Getting it? Similarly, full circle is pi r square. So if you want to get the area of sector, it is simple. How much is this angle? Suppose this angle is say 60 degree. So 60 degree is what part of 360? 360 is the full part, right? Full circle is 360 degree. So this much part of, just imagine one thing orally, this part. If 360 is the full, 60 degree will be this much part, right? Or full or not?
Sir, we will minus the sector.
No. What I'm trying to say, this sector is only 60 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Full circle is 360 degree.
Yes.
So if full circle area is this full circle, then area of the sector will be 60 by 360 into pi r square, or not? Full circle into part of, how much part we need? We need only this much part only, right? Yes or no? I think you're not comprehending it. I'll explain again. If I say, listen very carefully, you understand now. Suppose I remove this. Guys, see what I try to do now. Then you will say, oh yeah, that is what I'm trying to explain you. Suppose a full circle is say suppose some area of full circle is pi r square, okay? Everybody? Just say yes or no. Correct? Now, if I put a line like this, let me start putting like this. Sir, area below circle, below line is half, right? Half of the circle?
Yes, sir.
So, half a circle is what? Whatever the area of full circle into half, right?
Yes.
Half pi r square.
But now if I start putting, see, it's the imagination. Start putting, suppose I make like this, say, circle area will reducing or not now? Area of this sector, I think the below part of the area. Suppose I say like this, area of this part would be lesser than before.
Yes.
We are reducing, right?
Yes.
So it will be, so what it depends upon? It depends upon this angle. If you make it more small, see this. What is this? Is sector only or not?
Yes.
Sector.
Yes, sir.
So it depends upon how. See, when the line is like this, see, is like this. When the line is like this, It's a both are now sector is getting reduced, right? This sector now, this sector, like this. So even if we don't do sector, remember in our childhood what we used to do? It is same thing. If I say, if I divide the circle into 4 parts, if I divide the circle into 4 parts, in your childhood you used to do that, right? Tell me, suppose my full circle is, okay, understand guys, area of full circle, suppose the area of circle is 100, suppose, okay? What will area of each part? What will area of
25.
each part? 25. What you are doing? 1 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Why 1 by 4?
So
Because
because 4
out of
parts.
4 parts taking 1 part. If I develop it, if I make it into say 8 equal parts, then what you will do?
100 divided by 8.
Divide by 8. So it is like 1 by 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So where is coming from? It's coming from 1 is my full circle. So out of the 8 part I have taken. So this is, if frankly speaking, you start imagining, what is this? It's a sector or not? Sector only, right?
Yes, sir.
Sector.
Sir, I got it.
So area of circle, full area of circle is 100. The area of sector will be 1 by that part, right? The 8 parts, 1 by 8 of that. Or you are saying whole 360 degree divided into small parts. So when I divide into 4 parts, tell me, Kripa, how much is the full angle?
Oh, wait.
360 degree.
That pura, yeah.
So how much will be this angle? 1/4.
90.
60 by
90 degree.
Correct? So if I want to know area of this sector, believe me, you are doing same thing. What you are doing is, how much angle between this is 90 by how much total angle full? 360. So 90 by 60 into area of full circle. What is 90 by 60? 1 by 4. You said 1 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Finally, angle of this by angle of full circle. Getting it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Angle of this 90 degree by this one. Instead of 90, if it is 60, 60 by 60. Correct? That's what I said initially, right? The angle is not 90, 60. 60 by 60. The angle is 40, 40 by 60. The angle is 10, 10 by 60. That's it.
Now I understood.
So guys, this is how we derive the formula. Formula doesn't come from space. It's all your imagination. So if I say now, this is one line. This is one line. Now again you will say what theta is. But theta is the most important thing we use in our... You write like this, theta. You know what? Theta. Theta. We call it theta. So guys, this is theta under a Greek alphabet. Yes, Kripa. Theta. We call it theta. Getting it?
Excuse me, sir.
1 second. This is theta. What I'm saying is, if you have to get area of sector, it will be simple. Area of, same concept we are using. I don't want you to mug the formula. That's why I'm doing all this. Area of sector would be, what area of circle is there? Into theta by 360. Ask me, Sanvi, now. This is what area of sector, right? What part of circle is what you want? That is sector. Tell me, Sanvi.
Sir, can you show one small example for how to find the area of sector?
That is what I'm doing. Sanvi, that is what I'm doing now.
No, sir, one more example.
We'll solve a problem, but first understand the concept. Area of full circle is pi r square. Everybody knows this.
Yes, sir.
So area of sector will be part of that. How much part? Depending on the angle. Full is 360. So some part, if 20 degree, 20 degree. So tomorrow if I ask a question, if somebody asks a question tomorrow, find the area of, I'm going to give a question now. Tell me you can do or not. Find the area of a sector of a circle whose radius is 14 centimeter and angle between two radii is 30 degree. How will you do? Everything is given what you want, right?
Yes, sir, it is easy.
So why, see, I could have told you direct formula itself, but then whole life you will remember this formula. I wanted to explain how it comes. So what you will do is, pi r square, r is 14, substitute, theta is 30 degree, that's it. Got it, Sanvi? So area of sector would be pi. What is pi? 22 by 7. Into r square. What is r? 14 into 14. R square. Into theta by, what is theta? 30 degree by 360. So all this, whatever answer is your area of sector. Got it? That's it. And similarly, if you want to get area of the arc, what are you going to do? Any simple one thing you have to change. If I ask you guys, if I want to find area of this arc only this arc, what you will do? Any ideas? Area of this arc, red one. Sorry, not area, length of this arc. Who can tell me? It's just an analogy if you can understand. What is length of this arc? Who want to imagine and tell me? Length of the arc. No idea? But Kripa, I don't want answer. I want the concept.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, down you wrote no 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 30. So there, why did we do 2 times? Like, why did we do 14 into 14?
What is the formula area of pi r square? What does r square means? R into r, correct? Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. So who is going to answer? Gauri, you want to answer? Pratibha, you want to answer?
Sir, I want to answer.
Tell me.
Sir, should I say how I did that sum?
Yes. No, I want to tell me how to find length of the arc.
Sir,
Okay.
we will minus.
Kripa, you want to say it? Gauri, you are saying it?
Yes, I was saying that it will be minus.
No. See, length of the arc. Listen, guys. The moment I say something, you say, yes, sir. This length of the arc. What is length of the arc? Length of the arc comes from circumference. This whole is circumference.
Sir, I think I know.
This whole is circumference, right? What is circumference, Kripa? Instead of pi r square, you will write 2 pi r. That's it. Full circumference is 2 pi r. We need part of it. So, instead of this pi r square become 2 pi r. Right, Kripa?
Yes, sir.
You are saying that only?
I was about to say something else, but that was the same thing.
This 2 pi r is the full circumference, full length of the arc, right? We need only small arc. Again into theta by 360. That's what I wanted to imagine more. Nothing else. That's it.
Would you turn on the light?
Okay. There's no light here. So 2 pi r into theta by 360. That's it. Any question, anybody? Say it's like that. I'll ask you again. Tell me, Hridaya, tell me, Kripa, tell me, Sanvi, tell me, Gauri, Pratibha, anybody. If this full is say 100, this full length, okay? Half of this will be how much?
50.
50. 1/4 of this will be
25.
So similarly, we are finding only this arc. So if you know the total is how much? 2 pi r into how much this is covering the angle. Again, theta by 360, right?
Yes, sir.
Same concept, what I told you in area. That
I
way you will
got it.
never forget the length of the arc and area of the sector. You will never forget. Because practically you will know that what is happening. But if you mug the formula, 2 pi r, 3 pi r, you will never understand. Okay? These are the important thing for area of circle and circle sector and all. Ask me any
Sir,
question. Yes.
I wanted to ask, here you have written that theta, theta only we say, no? But
Yes. Theta.
yeah,
Theta.
that what is the main use of this in like maths? Is it more useful or?
It is very useful. Suppose I'll tell you. What is the shape of the pizza?
Sir, it is in circle.
Shape of a pizza.
Circle.
Okay. Sanvi, it is very
Pizza
useful.
is circle only, no, sir?
I'll tell you, Sanvi, you like pizza?
Yes.
Suppose this is pizza, okay?
Okay.
Now, Kripa is your friend. But she is very, very, you can say, and buy, this is one slice of pizza,
Yes.
okay? She will not tell you that whole pizza has how many slices. She don't want to tell you. She cut some slice like this. And she told you, and suppose the whole pizza costed you 1,000 rupees, okay? Kripa has paid 1,000 rupees for one pizza. You came and you ate this red part, that small part of pizza. This part you ate, okay? And
Yes,
you
sir.
also don't want to eat for free, right?
Yes, sir.
You pizza and know how much money you will give to Kripa
Sir, I
for
will
one piece.
1,000 into 1/4.
No, who said it is 1/4?
Sir,
Kripa will tell
1,000
you.
divided
Kripa will tell you two things. The radius of the pizza was 5 centimeter. And Kripa will tell you the angle between this is 30 degree. No, you find out how will you eat. Okay. Got it? She will say, Sanvi, from center to this, the length of this radius is 5 centimeter. And she will tell you,
Sir, I know what Sunny will tell.
huh?
I know what Sunny will tell. She'll tell, "अरे यार मैं नया वाला ले लूंगी तू खा इसे."
Understood what? So this is the practical application of this. How you find how much find of area of pizza what you ate?
Yes.
How will you find out?
Sir, I will do 2 pi r.
Array area. Not
Okay,
length.
pi 2 r, no, sir?
Pi
Pi
r
r
square.
cube, sir.
You have to remember star. Pi
Yeah,
r
pi
square is
r.
the area of full circle.
Yes.
But she said to you, you got 30 degree. So 30 degree
Yeah.
is what you ate. 30 degree part only.
Yes.
And full part is 360 always. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Anyway, we are not solving this. You are asking me where we use it. Is it important? It is very important, right? Practically, tomorrow when you get a circular object, how will you measure the length, arc, how? Think from a practical perspective of life. How people will measure. Geometry is all about figures. Geometry, measurement of geographical objects. Okay. So it gives a mechanism. Sector is this area, so you can measure. It's a very important. Clear, everybody? Practical significance. Any other question? That's it. Geometry stuff, is it? It is not arithmetic, right? I can understand. It's not
No, but
arithmetic.
it's little. No, but it's little difficult geography. I mean geometry.
Geometry is not as easy as looks like. Arithmetic is very
Yes.
easy.
Yes, sir. Now I got to know. First, I was like, I don't want arithmetic. I will do geometry. Then I can do arithmetic. But now, after doing these concepts, I'm like, oh, even geometry is difficult.
And when you go to trigonometry, you will say, no, sir, geometry was better. Okay. When we do trigonometry,
Sine cos derived from circle, right?
right, Jagat. So, Sanvi, when we do trigonometry in your class 9th and 10th, and you will say, no, sir, geometry was better. Okay.
That's
Question
what in which topic does Bermuda Triangle come? I have heard the name.
Bermuda Triangle is not a geometry, it's a actual place in between three. Who want to tell what is Bermuda Triangle? My son is very, well, you can say, fan of researching those. Bermuda Triangle.
Sir, it's a place.
It's a geography phenomenon.
Yeah, there is a place between two days at sea which is called as dead zone. Which is a dead zone. Okay, which is known as dead zone, where they say there's some magnetic force is there inside the sea. Where if anything passes toward it, catches that inside. That's what it says.
And it shapes in triangle, so it's
It's
called
Bermuda Triangle because one place is Bermuda. There are two more. I forgot the name. My son knows it. Yeah, that's why it is. Okay. Do you want to go there, Sanvi?
Yes. So now India is only better for me.
Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow again. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.